Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Where did you find that moron?
You said it was fine.
My fault. Come on! You're pathetic. You know that? Here we go! Here we go! Help! Hey, down here! I've got you. Now stop yelling. Help! Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down. Where's Javier? He fell. The others will get him. Need to stop this train.
There's another guard up ahead. You want me to take him?
We got trouble here. Oh, shit, we got company. Who's got a shot on them?
Do not let them stop this train! I'm gonna be the one that puts you in the ground!
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
What the hell was Bill doing? He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that. You ain't getting past it. How you doing there?
I'm okay. If we don't stop this train soon, the other boys will never catch us.
I know. I know. Just stay calm.
You got him? I ain't got a clear shot.
Look out! Got more coming off the train.
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
Put a bullet in that bastard. We need the car at the back, right?
Yep, keep pushing on it.
Watch out! There's some shooters up top.
Dead already. You're gonna burn. Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this guy?
Doing good, kid. Where the hell are the others?
Shoot him!
Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. Oh, shit. Look, they're coming out of that last car.
Or something fancy. We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. There's more coming off the train.
Come on, clean this up, boys. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here. You two all right?
Yes, let's get the money and go.
We got some fellas holed up in this last car.
Ah, shit.
What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little!